AI is changing everything: writing, design, even video editing. But what if I told you some of the best tools out there are completely free? Here are 5 powerful AI tools you can start using today for $0. ChatGPT, everyone's heard of it, but not everyone's using it smartly. ChatGPT's free version runs on GPT 3.5. It can help you write blog posts and emails, summarize documents, generate code, brainstorm content ideas. If you're not using it daily, you're leaving productivity on the table. Leonardo AI, this is a game changer for creators and designers. Leonardo AI lets you generate ultra-detailed AI art, product mockups, and game assets. The free plan gives you daily tokens, and the results are often better than Midjourney for $0 cost. TTS MP3. Want realistic AI voiceovers? TTS P3 has you covered. Just paste your script and choose from dozens of natural voices in English, Spanish, or German. Perfect for YouTube automation or even creating an audiobook prototype. Pictory. This tool can turn your blog post or script into a video in minutes. Pictory pulls relevant stock footage, adds captions, and creates a full video sequence, all automatically. Ideal for faceless YouTube channels or quick promo videos. Canva isn't just for making Instagram posts anymore. The free version includes Magic Write for copy, Magic Edit for AI design tweaks, text to image for simple AI art. If you're building a brand or just want stunning visuals fast, this tool is essential. Here's a quick recap. ChatGPT for smart writing, Leonardo for visual generation, TTS MP3 for free voiceovers, Pictory for automated video creation, Canva for all-in-one design plus AI features, all free, all ready to save you time. Want more AI tools and tech explained without the fluff? Hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment with your favorite free AI tool. This is bite-sized intel, where tech gets simplified.